Today we're going to monogram on Embroider Buddy's Lamb Blankey. We're going to put a long name down the side. So it's approximately 8 inches. So what I did was I measured 10 inches from here all the way up to there, and I went ahead and pinned it at the 10-inch mark so that I can have an inch right here where the name starts, and then I'll also have an inch past where the name ends here. So it's just pretty easy. You're just going to lay it on the table. It feels amazingly soft. Just going to lay it flat. I'm going to use 1 piece of 3 ounces of cutaway. I have a nice big piece because today I am going to use Mighty Hoop's sleeve hoop. It's a great hoop for when you're doing designs like this, where it's just a long, skinny monogram, because you don't have to use a big piece of backing in a big square hoop when you're just working in this particular space. So I'm going to go ahead and slip that in, and I'm going to be able to get all of the blankie into the hoop, which makes your embroidery look so much better when everything is in the hoop. So we're just going to drop this on like that, and so it's going to look something like this. We're not going to use water soluble today because my design has knockdown stitches behind the name. So let's go ahead and slip it on. I've been seeing so many shades of green that what I did was I talked about with the customer, and we are going to use a color by Isocord. It's 4620. It's kind of a green and a blue because green has just been so popular lately. We are in April of 2026. So now that we have it hoop, we're just going to trace it out and make sure that we love the placement, and then I think we are officially ready to go. Embroider Buddy has so many great products. If you would like to become a retailer, go to the link below and fill out the application.